Today I'm going to be making this fresh from the garden healthy omelet. I'm picking this for a zucchini omelet I'm making for breakfast. I'm making this omelet today out of the small zucchinis I picked out of the garden. And the zucchini is so healthy, certain studies have actually shown that it prevents some types of cancers even. I sliced them into very thin pieces so that they cook good. And I'm going to use just a small frying pan. This recipe is just for 2 people, so I'm only going to be using 3 eggs and 2 little zucchinis. Now I've got all the zucchini cut up, and I'm ready to put it in some butter in the frying pan. Now the zucchini is tender, so the eggs are ready to go in. And I just stir them around, mix them up in the same pot. And then just spread these zucchini out evenly. It'll cook pretty fast, a couple of minutes each side, and it'll be done. Now it's getting close to being ready to turn. So I just split part of it because it's for my husband and I. And so I only eat that much, and he likes to eat a lot more. So that way it's the right portion. And just another minute, and this will be ready to serve.